What's up, guys? This is gonna be part 2 of gutting the Accord. This is another weight reduction video. So far I've just taken out the fucking floor mats, but we're gonna be doing a decent amount of gutting today. We're gonna be taking out a decent amount of shit. I got a seat, so yeah, we're gonna start taking shit out. This is what the interior looks like right now. So yeah, I'll be back. So we got the base of the back seats out. Now we're working on pulling the interior panel so we can pull the actual back seats. The pile is growing, guys. We've already taken out a good amount of shit. The back panels are out, the back seats are out. Another thing is I got a racing seat. I got a carbon fiber seat and I got this harness. We're gonna fab up a harness bar, so that'll be cool. Yeah, I'll be back again, guys. Back seats are fully out. There's more sound editing here too that I'm gonna take out with the heat gun. So yeah, that's even more weight we'll be losing. Yep, it's gonna be a fast Honda Accord, guys. Okay, so I'm working on taking out the seat belts now. I got one of them out. It was bolted in right here. I got this one out. This one out. This one's being kind of a bitch, and then I'm gonna have to grab a shorter extension to get the top parts out because that one's too long. It hits the back windshield. But yeah, we're making progress. We are making progress. I don't even know what this metal piece is right here. I think this is just for like support for the seats, so I might even take this shit out, you know? Probably shouldn't do that though. But we're definitely gonna remove all this sound deadening here with the heat gun. And all these seat belts. And we're gonna get the front seats out eventually. Right now I think I'm gonna leave the front seats in, but I'll show you guys later. I'll probably show it in the next video. I'll make a third video where I put the front seat in, but I got a carbon fiber drag racing shell, and that's gonna be the driver's seat. There's gonna be no back seats, gutted trunk, gutted back. These panels are all gone. I'm gonna take the headliner out, take all this shit out. So yeah, but I think we made some pretty good progress today, getting all this, the back basically gutted. Now we can get measurements for the harness bar from here over to here. So yeah, peace. All right, so I got the seat belts out and I'm gonna start taking out the sound deadening now. And yeah, then this part will look like that part. So yep, time lapse time. Okay, so you guys get the idea of what's going on here. Heat it up with the heat gun, scrape it off with the painter's tool. So I'm gonna do the rest of this, and then yeah, I'll report back with the finished results and show you guys how much I get out. Right now I got this bag. It's actually already getting pretty heavy. And then yeah, I'll get everything out and show you guys what we got out from back here. So I'll be back. All right, I got this all banged out. The sound deadening is all removed back here now. So, yep, that's the Accord's new look for a little bit. We're gonna go, well, I'm gonna go vacuum it out. Here's all the sound deadening that came out of it. Pretty big bag. But yeah, I'm gonna go vacuum the leftovers up, and then maybe we'll go for a test drive, huh? So I'll see you guys in a minute.